What's up, y'all? It's your boy J Money, Detroit Freedom News. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded anything. I've been doing life and doing this and that and educating myself. So we're getting ready to go round two with Wayne County Sheriff's Department. Most of y'all who follow me and who watch my channel remember back in 2020 how well that went. They went hands-on with me. Well, guess what, assholes? Here we are, years later. I'm a lot smarter, a lot wiser, a lot more educated. This time around, we're going down there, and we're armed with, this is a Title 42, Section 1983 suit. It is for filing a lawsuit in federal court against state governmental employees for violation of your civil rights. So that's an interesting weapon to have in the arsenal. We've got this nice little nugget of information here. It is a document from the United States Department of Justice addressing police misconduct laws enforced by the Department of Justice, and goes on specifically to tell you how to seek remedies if your rights are violated by the police. Then we go on, and this is another nice little nugget of information to have here in the arsenal. This is Hartman v. Moore. This is a case that made it all the way to the United States Supreme Court, and it basically deals with government officials retaliating against you for exercising your constitutional rights, more specifically your First Amendment right. The governmental officials are not allowed to retaliate against you for exercising your First Amendment right, which in this case it's going to be freedom of the press. You can't criminalize the First Amendment. Here's another little nugget of information, all right? The police cannot be a complainant in a disorderly conduct. If most of you remember, the end result the last time I was down there was they issued me a disorderly conduct. They had no RAS, no PC to even engage or even speak to me to begin with. Another nice little piece that we have, thanks to another YouTube First Amendment auditor, is this little card right here. And I want to give shout out to this auditor. I can't remember her name for the life of me. She did an amazing job auditing the United States Secret Service at Mar-a-Lago. And I learned this little nugget of information from her, and all the viewers out there, I'm going to read it. This is important. You should carry this with you anytime you come into contact with police and you know you haven't violated any law of any unit of government and you feel like they're being tyrannical. This is the only statement you need to make to them. I hereby invoke and refuse to waive all of the following rights and privileges afforded to me by the United States Constitution. I hereby invoke and refuse to waive my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Do not ask me any questions. I invoke and refuse to waive my Sixth Amendment right to an attorney of my choice. Do not ask me any questions without my attorney present. I invoke and refuse to waive all of the rights and privileges pursuant to the case of Miranda v. Arizona. Do not ask me any questions or make any comments about this decision. I invoke and refuse to waive my Fourth Amendment right to be free from unreasonable searches and seizures. I do not consent to search or seizure of my person, property, or home, or any property in my possession. I do not consent to this contact. If I am not presently under arrest or under investigatory detention, please allow me to leave. Any statement I make or alleged consent I give in response to your questions is hereby under protest and under duress and in submission to your claim of lawful authority to force me to provide you with that information. This is very important. This stops them from attempting to violate your constitutional rights, and it puts them on notice that they're not going to fuck with you and fuck over your rights that a lot of United States citizens before us have fought, died, and bled for all of us to have. People exercise them rights. If you don't use them, you lose them. When people fear the government, it's tyranny. When the government fears its people, that's liberty. Always remember, these people work for us. The police work for us. We shouldn't fear them. We employ them. Okay? You're their boss. Always remember that, people. Stay tuned. We will possibly go Facebook Live on this. I don't, unfortunately, have enough subscribers to go live on YouTube, but Facebook Live. I'll let y'all know. Everyone stay safe. Remain peaceful. Peace.